ka Jingkam ka sengkeng Atiar balakhen bi ain ha ka jala ka Hinyu-Trap National Liberation Council HNLC boba singo balang dhar MLA bamanta ka nartiang jong ka seng National People's Party NPP bobat ya ka kamkum sumbut mitirang ba badai kmi ya tanat Urban Affairs ka sarkar MDA2 baju kershan pisa ya ka seng menbau dangbat kam Menteri hak sarkar Kongres kala penlong yo ba singo balang dhar hak khatwai tarik jumang ajar persan ban ong ba Shakri ya Lehnoh bat ubu hakmat ya ladi bantai nak banta ki ba kani ke Jingkam ke HNLC kala penlong ya ka Voice of People Party VPP ke seng Saiñ-Hima ka badan hak liang persya banmi ningkong syakmat bandawa badai bandan ke Jingtoket da ka National Investigation Agency bud nakani ba polling do menteri badai kmi ya katnat social welfare bat ki weipat kitnat ke sarkar jalau badai ru no aktien ke sarkar MDA2 loong bakan bha ban kli no ba singo bhalang bat ka seng Kongres halo ke Jingkam ke HNLC kumta halo kani ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee hak pratarik jumang arjar persan kalaong ba ka sarkar MDA2 kadai ban phahyar syuki yo ba singo bhalang kenang bakandon ke Jingtoket ke bekhuj bat benrap bakam dan bentah ke jidai bat ke Jingkam ke HNLC yo ba singo bhalang halor kini ke Jingkren uba singo bhalang uloong ba kitei ke Jingkam ke HNLC kidei ke bamsong nongrem bat bandawa pen i da kisaki uloong ba unsapait halo ke Jingmudui ejahar halo ke Jingkynnoh bawa Jingkersian pisai ke HNLC bat kedauru bakadon imat ke Jingkynnoh Ïohnong Saiñ-Hima da bakta mat yong yu
nakaling ke juang sa pensya kaya kuat bani thu ye pi kumgi padong jongi Ngam don against Ïohnong Ngam don kanu ke jing against yang political party leni ka seng HNLC point number 1 and number 2 part kan mau sakawe gede HNLC is a ban organization na kwa bani thu bi kini ke jing alleged ke jing itu kumpi umene ba mi ini setiap ladan nakaling jonga ngam ju tip ka hero ngam ju don re kata ngam ju sponsor re ngam ju phone re wa ngam ju tip ka no but which is totally a false and a baseless allegation which made by them how nga so thu hinga burom but nga so thu ya sentiment on the opposition but I regret to say that it is a baseless and false allegation kani baro de ga bamde suba bon sen ka position ni jo don ga jiken ku man gi issue hakani gor kom de bu su thu ni na ka leng jo ngai ke pa on sai pi kum nga mun ga de ga won ga de ga ka racing balaba te subo mentam kanu ku gi berbikan ngimut man kanu ABC ngi on yes ka bade mungkin ai ka proof mungkin prinsisa Subuh lah syakan wan beng sekawai kan nongba. Kermen ufon ni kan ni. Is it true? Subuh don next week kan orang buat ba. Gavin ufon yang ni. Is it true? You need proof. You know, proof document. You have to prove that. Pilih kan pensi saya kombi kita baro. Tengah kejing pejungai personally iman. Dah kebuburom iman kan ni kadai ka. It seem is some politically motivated just to malign me personally. And please remember, the more they want to spread negativity on me personally, the more God will bless me. And I'm assured that I will promise I will work better and better for my people of the state of Meghalaya. And I commit very sincerely, please don't think otherwise. I am your leaders. I am here to serve my state and for my beloved people. And all the allegation is very, very false and baseless allegation. Point number 1, so unfortunately I was not in station for the last few days. So today I want to clarify myself based on that allegation. So the allegation which you have seen in the news the last few days, which has been stated by the HNLC, so which is very, very unfortunate to see, but which is false and baseless allegations. And it seemed from the statement of some other political leaders also, the way how it moved, it seemed this move is, politically motivated just to malign my image personally. And please remember, I have seen so many friends who try to follow up me personally, but the more they want to spread negativity on me personally, God more will bless me and bless my party and the governments. I am here to serve my people, very, very sincere. We are here to protect the state, the peoples and the country as a whole. We are your leaders. Please trust us. All these things is baseless allegation, which is not true at all.
You are open for any inquiry.
You see, it is the banned organizations. To say that all these things, I think government know how to function in the government. Because, just like what I said, if today somebody talk about me, and tomorrow somebody elect some minister, then government know how to function properly. There is a way of to function in the government.
There is a demand for you to resign also.
You see, this is the demand from the opposition party. Opposition is always a duty. But demanding, resign, dropping this and that. Everything you do, you have to be with full proof. Suppose if I resign, I accept the allegation. And which I'm not going to do, I won't bother at all. I'm here to serve for my people, not to serve for terrorists. Please remember. That is my commitment. 17 years as MLA in my own state. I love my people. And I will commit and promise to work harder and harder for the people of the state. The allegation is truly baseless allegation.
So do you think anybody is behind forcing them to...
It seemed that, but what should I say? It seemed the way how the statement come from some of the political party, it seemed politically motivated. But anyway, I have seen so many people want to spread negativity on me personally, but I'm not worried. Because my duty is to work for my people of the state, to promote, to develop the state into a greater height. That is my intention. And that is our focus as the whole government also.
Will you take any action on this, like you said, baseless allegation?
Don't worry, there will be a time, if necessary. But to listen for the ban organization, all this also, I think you know very well.
So no legal action against them?
We will see action, because suppose now I'm just informed, just like it's a ban organization. You know very well. Sometimes we should spread propaganda every now and then, every time. So that's a time to do for everything. We have to check, we have to justify what type of issues, whether serious issues, whether issues we have to take. But we'll properly, don't worry on this. But I would like to inform to express that it's a baseless allegation, which is nothing correct, it's all wrong.
Will you file an FIR?
Let me see, because just thinking, I don't know who's behind, but maybe if I find who's behind, I may have to do so.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kata ikadur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.